The Chicago
Try calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't.
What you say about me?
Nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You my name. In the street? My name is my name.
Okay, YouTube. I don't know if y'all can see that. I can't hardly see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, YouTube got the line off. I don't know what you call it, whatever. But we got that off. We got the bolt on this. See, on this side off. We're gonna leave this one in because I don't want it to drop down. I mean, not in, it's loose, but I ain't taking it out yet. Then I got the bolt at the bottom on this side off. So I had to get a 15mm ratchet wrench for the one on this side because it's so close to the frame. And we should be done besides the sensor. Unplug that, but I ain't worried about that just yet. So, like I said, some people take their tires off and all that. I ain't taking my tire off if I can help it. So we about to get up under there and do what we do. Matter of fact, there go one of the bolts. No, but y'all can't really see. But anyway, let me go ahead and get to it before the sun come up, man. Okay, YouTube, I got it off. Instead of me wrestling, going back and forth with all that bullshit, like, man, I'm not doing all that. Just took the thermostat housing off and loosened up and pulled it right out. I ain't got time to be wiggling back and forth and going up and down. No, fuck all that. I just get small antifreeze. But I'm about to change this pulley too, because it's bad also. I ain't even know that. So I'm about to call AutoZone or O'Reilly's or whatever and see if they got one. I have to walk up there. Or shit, try to trick my daughters, pay them to go up there. So, cut y'all back on. But yeah, I ain't all that wrestling and all that, man. I ain't with all that. Just get that shit out. It's too fucking hot for all that. There it is right there. I'll cut y'all back on. Hold on before they fucking make me take this video down. Shit, man. I'm still working on the air compressor. Still ain't got air. I don't know if it's been enough days or not, but I'm cracking these motherfucking windows. My daughter she need to, first off, shout out to Harmony. She walked up to AutoZone or whatever, and went and got the pulley for me, because it was hot, and I couldn't do it. And, what else? Oh, I knew it was a trick to it, though. She had to come get her fingerprints done. Asked me to take her to go get her fingerprints. Thought it was a trick. Trying to get my fingerprints told her. The only time I got fingerprints was when to get locked up. But she had to come do it for some job, so I had to put the car back together, take her, because they closed at 1 o'clock. But the pulley is on there, the air compressor down there. I just got to really hook everything up. But the pulley is mounted. Air compressor got 2 bolts in it. I just got to put the last 2, plug it up. Plug the lines back in and get the Freon and shit. So I'll cut y'all back on when I do that. Waiting on her to come out of here now. Alright. Okay, YouTube, finally, man, made it back home. I got everything going, man. Like I said, I did everything from with the tire on and just moved that out the way. We back up running, so I'm just filling it up now. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all, man. I caught hell, goddammit, trying to get that motherfucking AC unit back on, actually. So shit, we got air. Determination is key. So I ain't gonna make this video too long. I was gonna put the stabilizer pins on today, but I don't even feel like it, man. It's time for me to go buy me an outfit. Got shit to do tomorrow. Gonna catch these stores. But I got the stabilizer pins in. Well, y'all seen all that, so y'all cool. Best bet for me to tell y'all, man, this is not for the inexperienced. I ain't trying to determine nobody from doing it. But if you're not handy and kind of mechanically inclined, this is not the job for you. But it is possible to do it with your tire on without taking nothing off, not even to put the belt on. Okay, YouTube, appreciate y'all. Don't forget to like, share, and thumbs up. Appreciate y'all. Alright, YouTube, I'm done. I'll show y'all the third brake light. I just wired it to the actual brake lights on here. And it's the bottom plug. It's the very bottom plug, the one with 4 wires coming out. It's the 2, I forgot what color, I'm sorry about that. But it's the 2 that's in the center. The wires you want, that you're looking for. So I ran it. You can better see it's dark in here. Turn this on for you real quick. Yeah. But I just ran it. I cut the hole. Just ran it along the edge of here into that light. Cause all the forums and all that, they say it's a common problem, known problem, whatever. I ain't had time for all that. I was trying to get air, man. So I'm about to go make me some runs as usual, but show y'all the front of this GMC real quick. At nighttime, headlights off, you know what I'm saying? And this emblem or whatever, this is actually for like a 18 and up GMC. It's way bigger than what belongs on here, but I made it work. I always make this stuff work. So yeah. Alright, YouTube, we got air. We got some more stuff coming. So I'm gonna holler at y'all. Go make these moves. Alright.